Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of the UGREEN AX1800 high gain dual band wireless adapter, so Wi-Fi 6. Basically this allows you to get fast Wi-Fi for your PC, and if your PC is in a place where you don't have Ethernet connection, then this is really useful if you've got fast Wi-Fi. It says it's got strong signal, got good security, got fast speed, it's easy to set up, so you just plug it in and it just works. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to get this opened up. So I'm going to remove this tab over here. And let's see what we get in the box. So nothing else is in here except for a few instruction manuals. It tells you how to install it, and then we've got that. And so over here we've got the Wi-Fi adapter itself, and then we've got the USB cable for the Wi-Fi adapter. So as you can see, this is the cable, UGREEN branded. And we're going to open up, last but most importantly, the actual Wi-Fi adapter. We're going to get this out of the bag, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's got big antennas, you've got good reach to your Wi-Fi router or Wi-Fi access point, and yeah, you can plug it into here. It's designed by UGREEN as it says here, and this is what it looks like at the back of it. So yeah, really good design. I mean, made out of plastic. What we're going to do, we are going to now plug this into my PC, and we're going to see its Wi-Fi performance when I plug it into my PC. All right, so I've got my UGREEN Wi-Fi adapter and I've plugged it into my PC. And what I'm going to do, I've got the cable over here, and I'm going to now plug it into my PC, and then we're going to see how it interacts with my PC. Maybe it doesn't show up straight away. Maybe it only shows up when I connect to a Wi-Fi network. Alright, so I've plugged in my UGREEN adapter. I've still got no internet connection, but as you can see, it comes with it just shows up as a CD drive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on that, and it should take me through a setup, as you can see. So once that's done, it should hopefully allow me to connect to a Wi-Fi network. And as you can see, we actually see available Wi-Fi networks. All right, so we are now connected to Wi-Fi. As you can see, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go on speed test. So right now we're getting a speed of 268 megabits per second. I'm a bit far away from a Wi-Fi router, so maybe that's why it's a little bit slower. I'll do another test to see if it's any faster on a different device. As you can see, we're getting 287 on the upload. Alright, so I'm right next to the Wi-Fi router, and I'm using a HP laptop because my PC is simply far from the Wi-Fi router to get accurate tests. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a speed test. So as you can see, I'm getting 630 with the built-in Wi-Fi on this laptop. Then I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to compare to see if it's the same. I'm going to disable the Wi-Fi on this laptop just to make sure it doesn't use that. So right now we're getting 500 on upload. Alright, so I'm going to disable the inbuilt Wi-Fi on this laptop. So as you can see, we've disabled the Wi-Fi on this laptop. So then I'm going to plug it in the UGREEN Wi-Fi adapter, and we're going to install the driver just like before. Alright, so what I've done, I've connected it to the laptop. I've done a setup. I did do a screen recording on OBS, but I've lost the recording. The OBS crashed on this laptop. But yeah, just to confirm, we are getting about 680 megabits per second. We are getting 700 now, which is actually really impressive through this UGREEN. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to unplug it, and we're going to see it go down. So unplugged it, no power, no Wi-Fi. So yeah, that confirms that we are using this UGREEN adapter. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a hotspot test. So what I've done, I've connected my Ethernet cable directly from my router. I'm still connected to this as the Wi-Fi adapter, and I'm going to actually use it as an access point. So basically this is going to give Wi-Fi from here, and I'm going to connect my phone to it and do a speed test. I've called my Wi-Fi hotspot. So of course the inbuilt Wi-Fi on this laptop is disabled still. So we're going to share it from Ethernet, and we're going to share it over to Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn on the mobile hotspot, and we are sharing it over the 5 gigahertz brand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect the phone that I'm recording on, and I'm going to do a speed test. All right, so I'm connected to 1TO UGREEN Wi-Fi. All right, so as you can see right here, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi network UGREEN Wi-Fi test 1TL. I'm going to now do a speed test to see how fast the Wi-Fi is. So we are getting 400 megabits per second, nearly 500, which is actually impressive. See, we're getting about 500 megabits per second, which is fast. And yeah, that is really impressive for getting Wi-Fi directly. Just to test if it's actually from the UGREEN, I'm going to unplug it to see if we lose speed as soon as you unplug it. So I just unplugged it. I've unplugged the adapter from my laptop. It's confirmed that it's completely from the adapter because I've disabled the Wi-Fi inbuilt in the laptop.